building a $10,000 month business using AI chatbots without coding skills. In today's digital age, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, in business operations has become increasingly prevalent. AI technology offers a wide array of benefits, from streamlining processes to enhancing customer experiences. One of the most promising applications of AI in the business world is the use of chatbots. These AI-powered virtual assistants are revolutionizing customer service and marketing strategies, making them an indispensable tool for modern entrepreneurs. Imagine the potential of earning $10,000 per month through a business that leverages AI chatbots, all without the need for extensive coding skills. This lucrative opportunity is not just a dream but a tangible reality for those willing to explore the possibilities that AI presents. With minimal effort, entrepreneurs can tap into this innovative technology to create a sustainable income stream that has the potential to grow exponentially over time. For tech-savvy individuals looking to capitalize on the accessibility of AI chatbots, this is an exciting time to venture into the world of online business. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the rewards have never been higher. By harnessing the power of AI, entrepreneurs can unlock new revenue streams and scale their businesses to new heights. Step 1. Understanding the basics of AI chatbots for business. AI chatbots are virtual assistants powered by artificial intelligence that are designed to simulate human conversations. In the realm of business, these chatbots play a crucial role in enhancing customer interactions by providing instant support and personalized responses. By leveraging AI technology, businesses can streamline their customer service processes and improve overall customer satisfaction. One of the key benefits of using AI chatbots is their round-the-clock availability. Unlike human agents, chatbots can operate 24/7, ensuring that customers receive prompt assistance at any time of the day. This level of accessibility not only enhances the customer experience but also helps businesses maintain a competitive edge in the market. Moreover, AI chatbots are capable of delivering personalized responses based on customer data and interactions. By analyzing user behavior and preferences, chatbots can tailor their responses to meet individual needs, creating a more engaging and personalized experience for customers. Numerous successful businesses have already embraced AI chatbots to drive growth and improve customer engagement. Companies like Starbucks, Sephora, and Domino's Pizza have implemented chatbots to streamline ordering processes, provide product recommendations, and offer customer support. These real-world examples demonstrate the effectiveness of AI chatbots in enhancing business operations and customer interactions. Step 2. Identifying business opportunities suitable for AI chatbots. When exploring the potential applications of AI chatbots in business, it is essential to research industries where these virtual assistants can streamline processes and enhance customer satisfaction. Industries such as e-commerce, healthcare, banking, and travel have already seen significant benefits from integrating AI chatbots into their operations. By automating routine tasks and providing instant support, chatbots can improve efficiency and customer experiences in these sectors. Another crucial aspect to consider is the scalability of AI chatbots in different business models. Whether you are running a small startup or a large corporation, chatbots can be tailored to meet the specific needs of your business and scale alongside its growth. This adaptability makes AI chatbots a versatile tool for businesses of all sizes looking to optimize their operations. To identify unique business opportunities for AI chatbots, entrepreneurs can brainstorm creative ways to integrate this technology into existing ventures or new ventures. For example, a clothing retailer could use chatbots to provide personalized styling recommendations to customers, while a real estate agency could use chatbots to schedule property viewings and answer inquiries. By thinking outside the box, entrepreneurs can uncover innovative ways to leverage AI chatbots for business success. Step 3. Selecting the right AI chatbot platform for your business. Choosing the right AI chatbot platform is crucial for the success of your business's virtual assistant. When selecting a platform, it is essential to compare popular options such as Chatfuel, ManyChat, or Dialogflow to determine which best suits your needs. One key factor to consider when evaluating AI chatbot platforms is ease of use. Look for a platform that offers a user-friendly interface and intuitive design, making it easy for you to create and manage your chatbot without extensive technical knowledge. Customization options are another important consideration. Ensure that the platform allows you to tailor your chatbot's responses, design, and functionality to align with your brand identity and customer preferences. Pricing is also a critical factor to keep in mind when selecting an AI chatbot platform. Compare the pricing plans of different platforms to find one that fits within your budget while offering the features you need to achieve your business goals. Ultimately, the chosen platform should align with your business objectives and target audience. Consider factors such as the platform's capabilities for engaging customers, generating leads, and providing support to ensure that it meets the specific needs of your business. By selecting the right AI chatbot platform, you can leverage this technology to enhance customer interactions and drive business growth. Step 4. Creating and customizing your AI chatbot without coding. Building your AI chatbot without the need for coding skills is easier than you might think. Most AI chatbot platforms provide step-by-step tutorials to guide you through the process of creating your first chatbot. By following these tutorials, you can quickly set up your chatbot and start customizing it to meet your business needs. Personalization is key when it comes to creating a successful AI chatbot. Take the time to personalize your chatbot's responses and design to align with your brand identity. By incorporating your brand's tone of voice and visual elements, you can create a chatbot that feels like a natural extension of your business. Once you have customized your chatbot, it's essential to test it thoroughly to ensure seamless interactions and a positive user experience. Test different scenarios and user inputs to identify any potential issues and make adjustments as needed. By conducting thorough testing, you can fine-tune your chatbot to deliver optimal performance and customer satisfaction. Step 5. Integrating the AI chatbot into your business operations. Once you have created and customized your AI chatbot, the next step is to integrate it into your business operations to maximize its impact. Deploying the chatbot on your website, social media channels, or messaging apps allows you to reach a wider audience and provide instant support to customers. Promoting your chatbot to your audience is essential for driving engagement and encouraging users to interact with it. Use various marketing channels to raise awareness about your chatbot and highlight its benefits, such as 24/7 availability and personalized assistance. Encourage users to try out the chatbot and provide feedback to further enhance its functionality. Monitoring the performance of your chatbot is crucial for ensuring its effectiveness in improving customer interactions. Track key metrics such as response times, user engagement, and conversion rates to evaluate the chatbot's impact on your business. Gather feedback from users to identify areas for improvement and make adjustments to enhance the chatbot's functionality continuously. By integrating the AI chatbot into your business operations and actively monitoring its performance, you can leverage this powerful tool to streamline processes, enhance customer satisfaction, and drive business growth. Step 6. Optimizing the AI chatbot for maximum efficiency and ROI. To ensure that your AI chatbot continues to deliver value to your business, it's essential to optimize its performance for maximum efficiency and return on investment. By following these guidelines, you can refine your chatbot's capabilities and enhance its impact on customer interactions. Start by analyzing the data and insights generated by the chatbot to gain a deeper understanding of user behavior and preferences. Use this information to refine the chatbot's responses and workflows, making them more personalized and effective in addressing user needs. Implementing AI-driven features like natural language processing can further enhance user interactions with the chatbot. By enabling the chatbot to understand and respond to natural language inputs, you can create a more seamless and intuitive user experience that drives engagement and satisfaction. Track key metrics such as conversion rates and customer satisfaction to measure the success of your chatbot. By monitoring these metrics, you can assess the chatbot's impact on your business goals and identify areas for improvement. Continuously optimizing the chatbot based on performance data will help you maximize its efficiency and return on investment over time. Conclusion: building a $10,000 month business using AI chatbots. In conclusion, the integration of AI chatbots into business operations offers a wealth of opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to scale their ventures and increase profitability. By leveraging the power of AI technology, businesses can streamline processes, enhance customer interactions, and drive revenue growth. AI chatbots play a crucial role in modern business strategies by providing 24/7 support, personalized responses, and efficient customer service. Their ability to automate tasks and engage customers in real time makes them a valuable asset for businesses across various industries. As you embark on your journey to explore AI chatbot opportunities for your own ventures, remember the potential for earning $10,000 per month with minimal effort. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create and customize a chatbot that aligns with your business goals and target audience. Take action today and start building your AI chatbot to unlock new revenue streams and enhance customer satisfaction. Like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips on this channel to stay updated on the latest strategies for building a successful business using AI technology.